What's up, guys? This is Godkaiser Productions, and I got the Wii U at midnight. Well, tonight, tomorrow, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, probably gonna be uploading this video late, but I thought I'd just do a quick unboxing. Let's see what's in this little baby. So I've heard the best thing to do is lay it out like this. It's like a little sleeve thing. You open it. So what we got? Let's see, what have we got? Okay, I appear to be holding it on the wrong way around. But yeah, let's get into this thing. So yeah, this is the top box. You got your Nintendo Network Premium thingy, Nintendo Land. Yeah. Bacon crunchies. And we open up this and let's see what we got. So we got a stand for the gamepad. Sorry? 2. We got your stand for the actual Wii console, which I believe that's only for the premium pack. A HDMI cable. I wonder if this is going to be Nintendo's make or someone else. I can't see a Nintendo on it, so it's probably just a random. You know what? I was hoping it might be a special Nintendo one. I don't know why. We got a charging dock system for the actual gamepad. Strangely enough, it comes with a Wii U sensor bar. I guess that's so you can play your games still. We'll go back to the original. And then we have the bricks. One's for your charger, which is a smaller one, and it's still pretty hefty. And we've got the massive. You know, a lot of people have been saying, oh, the consoles have been bricked. Yeah, not surprising when the console's power supply is like a brick. I mean, I could use that to build my wall with it. So that's the first bit. Get that back in there. Just put it all together. Make sure it's all nice. Game and that. Nintendo Land. Something like that. Mario. So now we get to the big part. The console. So as you can see, I got the premium edition. So mine is going to be black, which you probably would have guessed from all the extra goodies. So we're going to have a quick look at the gamepad first. So, yeah, this is the gamepad. It's pretty neat, touchscreen. I believe it's got a stylus just there. You got your back sticks, analog ports, power button. yeah, it's a nice little thing. So we'll put you there for now. So now we get to the big bad boy. You know, this is what, this is the main attraction of the Wii U, the actual console itself. So this is the console, guys. It's got a lot of sticky tape on it. Sticky. I won't expect that much sticky. So yeah, this is the console. I'm just gonna put it on this. I'm just gonna say, you know, it's got your HDMI, 2 USB, USB sync and all that at the front. So yeah, you know, let us know what you think about that, guys.